Site of the first mass Cavite Mutiny in Gomburza.
Introduction. The first mass Cavite Mutiny occurred on January 20, 1872 at the Cavite Arsenal in the Philippines. This event was significant uprising by Filipino soldiers and workers against Spanish colonial authorities fueled by resentment over heavy taxation and oppressive policies. Site of the first Mass. The first recorded Catholic Mass in the Philippines took place on March 31, 1521, on the islands of Limasawa, led by Portuguese explorer Ferdinand Magellan. This event is significant in the Philippine history, marking the introduction of Christianity to the archipelago. It is often celebrated as a key moment in the country's cultural and religious heritage.
Cavite Mutiny. The Cavite Mutiny occurred on January 20, 1872 at the Cavite Naval Base in the Philippines. It was inspired by discontent of Filipino workers and the soldiers over unfair treatment, particularly the imposition of a new tax and the abolition of their village. The mutiny was quickly suppressed, but it was significant persecution leading to the execution of leaders like Mariano Gomez Jose Burgos and Janito Zamora.
Gomburza. Gomburza refers to the three Filipinos first Mariano Gomez, Jose Burgos, and Jacinto Zamora, who were executed by the Spanish colonial government on February 17, 1872. Their execution followed the Cavite Mutiny and was seen as an attempt to suppress rising nationalist sentiment among Filipinos. Conclusion. The Cavite Mutiny and the execution of Gomburza were crucial in the Philippine history, igniting nationalist sentiments against Spanish colonial rule. That the mutiny was quickly suppressed, it inspired a growing movement for reform and independence, with the martyrdom of the first galvanizing Filipinos in their struggle for justice and equality. These events laid the foundation for the eventual fight for Philippine independence.